design, and I'm so happy you could join me here today. I have the reveal of my latest Button Farm kit, and this one is so adorable. I cannot stand it. This is Meet Peter Rabbit. Isn't it so cute? Peter Cottontail. This is made with the brand new Peter's World paper collections, and it is a 6.5 by 6.5 folio with 1-inch spines and lots of interactive elements on the inside. So what you get in the kit is the 6 by 6 Peter's World paper pack, the 12 by 12 Peter's World paper pack, the craft cardstock for constructing the base. You're going to get a whole package of these gorgeous little spring tulips. You're going to get the ribbon. You're going to get buttons. You're going to get these adorable little miniature carrots, and you're going to get the stick pins, and you're going to get magnets, and you're going to get burlap string, and you're going to get all these wonderful things to help you make this interactive folio. Now this is a tri-fold with an extra flip out page, and it's loaded with fun features like hidden pocket pages, lots of photo mounts. In fact, you can put more than 24 photos in here. There's a box pocket in the center with an extra little folio and a bonus folio inside of that with some sweet treats. This is such a perfect little springtime folio, but I think it would also be fantastic for a baby shower or a new baby's nursery. And then here we have a little pull out and little tags in the pocket, wonderful waterfall feature for 4 by 6 photos, a pocket and tags. And then look at this, guys. This is my favorite part. Woohoo! Look at all of that. Flap pages, pocket pages, all kinds of beautiful papers, interactive elements. It's just loaded, and you're going to learn so many techniques in the tutorial for this project. It's really, really wonderful and perfect for springtime. So you can order yours today at the Button Farm Club. I'll put the link in the description box below, along with the price, and I think you're going to just love it. This is such a sweet album, and I hope you will enjoy making it as much as I enjoyed designing it. So thanks for joining me, and I'm going to go get my craft on. Bye!